Roaming Outdoors Roam. Here we are, Steele, Alabama, just off of Highway 59, headed towards Chattanooga. We're at a Love's Truck Stop. Very convenient. Came in, didn't know this spot was here. We can tell it's brand new. So these are overnight glamping spots for overnight travelers. Now we are here in our Damon Intruder. We've been just trekking across from Mississippi, headed back to South Carolina. Each site comes with a dump station, nice 30-amp power or 50-amp power, water, and even Wi-Fi. You can, for those who work and travel and glamp, there's even direct Ethernet access for faster service. I do recommend these Loves. They are starting to put these up across our southeast. This is the biggest one I've seen yet. So, easy glamping. Follow us on Roaming Outdoors Roam. Thank you.